Do you also want to create an amazing avatar for your YouTube videos, just like mine? Then this video is just for you. Because in this video, I'll share with you step by step how you can create an amazing avatar for your videos, whether it's a realistic style avatar or a 3D style avatar. We're covering both right here. And the best part? You don't need to jump between websites to create images and videos. You can do it all using just one website. Yes, one single website. And guess what? You can create unlimited high-quality images of your avatar, all from that one site. Unlimited. And from that same platform, we'll also turn those images into videos. Isn't that amazing? So don't skip any part of that video, because if you skip and then jump into the comments asking, hey, how do I do this, or what was that step? Chances are I've already explained it. Just watch this video calmly and with full focus, because honestly, it could change your life. You don't need to show your face on YouTube anymore. No fancy studio, no lighting. In today's AI-powered world, AI can do all of that for you. So why do all the hard work when AI can make it effortless? Of course, you can do it all manually if you want, but this video is for those who feel shy in front of the camera, who haven't started their YouTube journey, because they worry about their looks, their voice, or their setup. If you have a skill, or any kind of knowledge, you can still share it with the world, without ever showing your face. And yes, you can still earn lakhs of dollars every month from YouTube. So now that everything is this easy, why not take full advantage of it? And hey, don't think you need a laptop or computer. You can do all this with your mobile phone too. I've included both girl and boy avatar prompts in the video description. Just scroll down and copy them easily. There's also a ready-made video prompt you'll need when converting images into videos. Prompts are ready, so now let's head to the website where the real magic happens. Just go to Google and search for WISK AI. The first result you'll see will be a website called Google Labs. Open that. Once you sign in using Google, you'll see an interface like this. Click Next, then Continue through their policies. You'll now see a simple interface. First, I'll create a girl avatar. I'm adding the girl AI avatar prompt here. Again, all prompts are in the description. Next, choose the image ratio. If you're making long videos, choose 16:9. For shorts, select 9:16. As you can see, we got a 3D style result, not a realistic one. I'll explain how to get realistic results in the next steps. Don't miss anything. Just look at the quality. When you create images on other websites and include your channel name, they often mess up the spelling. But here, you won't see any spelling mistakes. And the images are also HD. Now, click on Add Images. You'll get options for subject, scene, and style. Let me explain scene first. Whatever scene you choose here will appear as the background in your video. If you want to upload a saved image to use as a scene, you can do that too, or you can generate it with a prompt. After I entered the scene, the background somewhat matched the studio setup. Not exactly, but close enough. In the Style section, I selected Real Person, so the generated image looks like a real human. You can clearly see how realistic it looks now. So, using WISK, which is a product from Google, you can create really impressive images. Now let's change the scene. Just delete the old scene and input a new prompt. For example, I'll use garden. Now you can see the background has changed to a garden, and the girl still looks real. Next, I'll change the color of her dress from yellow to white. Just type white in the prompt, and now the dress is white in the image. If you have a downloaded image of a scene, you can upload that too. For example, I uploaded a flower image, and the flowers in the background of the generated image matched the uploaded photo. So now you understand how to use WISK. It gives amazing results. And you can create unlimited images and download them with no restrictions, no credits required. But when it comes to converting images into videos, there are some limitations I'll explain. Still, a single account is enough for basic needs. Click on Animate on top of the image. Then copy the video prompt from my video description and paste it here. You'll get 10 generations. That is, you can convert 10 images into videos per account. Each video will be 8 seconds long, so yes, 8-second videos for free, and the quality is better than many paid tools in the market. Now I'll try the boy avatar prompt and see what result we get. You can see the result. It looks like a real person. You can also modify the prompt. For example, instead of kurta, you can specify the color or change the outfit. The avatar will be generated accordingly. So I've generated some more images and they all look amazing. The WISK AI tool is really impressive. You can create unlimited images and convert 10 of them to videos from one account. Now I'm changing the kurta color to black, and the avatar's outfit is now black. You can create as many images as you like. Let's now animate one more image. Click on the image, then click Animate. Copy the video prompt from my description and paste it. It will process for a few seconds, and then you'll get the video. You can download it easily and see how amazing the result is. It looks like a real person is speaking. Let's animate a few more images since we can use all 10 credits from one account. Here's another animation, and the hand movements, walking, and speaking style are smooth. There are no glitches. Now let's talk about how to create 3D avatars. Those prompts are also in the video description. I'll first enter the girl 3D prompt. You can see the result, a complete 3D avatar. But make sure to remove the real person style from the settings before doing this. You'll find the 3D prompt in the description. You can also customize this, like I changed the dress color to yellow and it worked. You can also modify the channel name in the prompt to your own channel's name. I did the same for the boy avatar and generated the images. You can see how awesome they look. So here are the 3D style avatars. Now let's talk about how to generate voice for your AI avatar. For this, we'll go to 11 Labs. There you'll find realistic voices. English as well as other languages are available. You can add a little emotion to your voice, like add excited, happy, sad in square brackets before your sentence. This adds natural emotion to the voice. Then simply click on Generate. Once the voice is generated, you can download it. Now your AI voice is ready. If your text is long, split it into multiple lines. Because long texts sometimes don't render voice properly. So break your text, generate line by line, then combine the audio files in an editing tool. Now upload the video generated from WISK into any other AI talking head app. Upload your voiceover and match it via lip sync. So, this is how you can easily create a perfect AI avatar and use it in your videos. In the next video, I'll show the complete tutorial of the lip sync app. Learn something new? Hit like, it really helps. Got questions or ideas? Drop a comment, I'm listening. Ready to level up with AI? Subscribe and tap the bell. Let's grow together.